Hello everyone, I'll be talking about the Proximus platform. So let me start with the overview. Recent times have seen the centralized system of distributing nodes has not been compliant enough with users' requirements, not standardized and not encouraged by many individuals and organizations which uses the blockchain ecosystem, which later brought about a better system of distributing nodes, which is the blockchain distributed ledger system, where blockchain activities are fused together and shared to various networks or nodes. So what is Proximus? Proximus is the next generation integrated and distributed ledger technology development platform powered by blockchain technology known as Proximus Serious. The Serious chain is the blockchain technology which controls and monitors the activities on the platform. People are developing an intimate familiarity with the blockchain technology because of its high security and the fact that activities carried out on the blockchain technology is performed in a trustless manner. Knowing this fully well, Proximus intends to make use of Serious chain to modify the actions of the blockchain technology to create decentralized applications to suit specific need of the user before data can be stored in binary form in the Serious storage. The Serious storage serves as the storage location for both the Serious chain and super contracts. The next one is the Proximus tokenomics and token ecosystem. Proximus tokenomics is the incentive system of the Serious chain, which is used to reward users based on the activities carried out on the platform, as well as their achievements measured in terms of their reputation. The token ecosystem consists of both the internal and external systems. The internal systems, which includes the native token (XPS), which is used to pay for the platform services, and the second one is the service unit, which is used to measure each user's usage of the platform. The third one is the mosaics, which is the custom tokens of the platform. They are created to power the internal economy of a decentralized application. The external ecosystem enables end users to pay for service units in form of XPS and fiat. Fiat means physical currencies. So what are the benefits of Proximus over other blockchain infrastructure? The first one is the transaction process. Transactions carried out on Proximus are secured using encryption techniques provided by the blockchain with the inclusion of a quick and efficient transaction process on the platform at the rate of 1,000 or more per minute. The next is the incentive system. The incentive system of Proximus encourages users to use the platform on a regular basis in order to build up their reputation, which automatically increases the rate of incentive allocated as per their reputation, and also enable users to work together to reach an optimum outcome for the entire network. The third one is the function performed by the cryptocurrencies of the platform. On most platforms, cryptocurrencies are used for payment systems alone, but on Proximus, tokens can also be used not only for payments but to power the internal economy of a decentralized application such as custom tokens, that's the mosaics. The fourth one is that Proximus provide an agile architecture that facilitates the addition of a new core services and the creation and development of advanced application. The last one is that Proximus not only run on systems with a monitor and keyboard alone, but also on normal individual everyday mobile phones. The next is the Proximus Serious Core Services. Core services are predefined logins. Proximus have some core services that aid operation of the Serious chain. Examples are the storage capabilities. For a successful web service and project, it is necessary for activities and actions carried out on the Proximus platform to be stored for future access. The Proximus storage takes care of all types of binary data, be it graphics, video, or just text, as what is not stored is subject to be lost. Another one is the serious streaming. The serious streaming is of two types, the storage streaming and the live streaming. In the storage streaming, stored videos or pre-recorded videos are streamed to various users of the platform. And like YouTube, streamed videos can be downloaded not only by the streamer but also by those watching on streaming, by those watching from various locations. For the live streaming, videos are not pre-recorded or stored but are live streamed. That is, the actions happening at the current moment are streamed to various users at various locations. Another one is the super contract. The goal of the super contract is to build an executable code that directly represents a digital contract that can be custom built to run based on a specific business use case.